Hi class, welcome to Unit 4 in CIS 136, Integrated Design or InDesign. This week we're going to apply color and effects to our objects within InDesign, understanding how to use the swatches palette and just applying color to content, saving color to swatches, and applying creative effects to our content. Of course, you'll start with the Unit 4 instructions. What that highlights is that I want you to review the add inspiration. It should be here. Shows you some inspiration if you're feeling a little glum about your design at this point for your project, Project 1, the add design. And then you'll go ahead and work on the Unit 4 exercise as well. Okay, the Unit 4 exercise is located here. This is the video tutorials for that. If I go to that. Obviously, the files are here. You can download them here, or you can find them within the unit as well. You'll view these videos, and then you will walk through them step by step. Once you are done with walking through them step by step, you will submit your exercise here under Unit 4 exercise, color, effects, and swatches. Those files are here, and I have included the IDML files as well if you're working from a lower version. Next, one of the next things you want to do is do the forum, Project 1 Add Revised Draft. I'm giving you some time to really focus on that project this week and get some feedback from your peers. Be sure that you're respectful in the forum and you provide support. You want to make sure that you forward along an updated draft to what you had last week in support of your concept, and be sure that you're including in a call to action, which is either telling the viewer where to go to find your product or your concept, and make sure that it is an advertisement. That's one thing that we want to clarify as well. So I look forward, so far I see a lot of great things happening, and I'm looking forward to seeing what you all have to show this week. So do your exercise, update your project, and I'll see you in the Unit 5 virtual video. Have a great week, everyone.